It is incredible how Kelowna keeps getting less and less appealing to me. I'm still unable to find a place to light a campfire. This is a park, and I am going to go for a walk. It's right in front of the Okanagan Lake, and I am going to find out today if I can come back to light a fire. So yes, honestly, as I was saying, Kelowna was never attractive to me. I just moved to the city because of the dry weather, and it has a hospital nearby. It has everything that a city has, even though Kelowna is just such a small city. And it has an airport as well. But I never found it attractive, to be honest with you. And for some reason, I have the feeling that I may have to leave. Yes. Somehow that is my feeling nowadays, that I may have to leave Kelowna because the lifestyle I want, Kelowna is unable to provide it to me. Yeah. On a positive note, another reason why I am still in the Okanagan, living in the Okanagan, is because the weather is better than in the rest of British Columbia, let alone the rest of Canada. So, yeah, so I don't know. It's just that I am frustrated with not being able to find a place, a suitable place for what I want to do and how I want to enjoy my days, and sharing what I like doing, because my vlogs are about this. And I don't want to change what I vlog because what I vlog is what I love doing. So maybe I just need to get a dog, and with that great company, seeing everything better. Hello.
Hi. Just taking pictures. What's that? We all been taking pictures. Yeah, that's the problem.
So did find I did find a fire pit by the beach, and it seems to be very popular because there are two people by the water right now, and I tried going to this area and also that area behind me, because it's like two different beaches as well, or two different beach access, but there is no way for you to safely get to the water if you come this way. So the only way I would be able to come down to these other two beaches would be with my hiking poles, because I need support to go down in the very, very steep areas and make my way through where there is no trail. So there is no straight access to those two beaches, but I am going to show you the fire pit by the water, and maybe we can come in a day that is not weekend, because on the weekend everything is more popular, and I don't know how accessible this area is going to be in the winter, because I don't know if it's going to be well, most likely it's going to be snowing here. Good thing I ordered my minimalist winter boots, because I will need them. This is the fire pit that has been definitely used for parties. Everything you see here is drinks, wraps, like that's a wrap for a case of drinks, that's a wrap for a case of drinks, and you have cans here and plastic cups everywhere. I don't understand why is it that people doesn't clean after themselves. This is disgusting, but I think I like this place. It's kind of hidden, and during the week should be pretty much empty. You never know. And I can definitely try and be here by myself, because I've been needing to be by myself lately. I'm missing nature. I'm missing a lot of things about being by myself. So let's see the water. So the only inconvenience, that I don't know if it can be an inconvenience or not, is that I'd have to carry everything down from the parking lot, from the car, to the beach for me to light a fire and cook or make coffee, whatever. It would be an adventure that I'm actually up to. And on the other side, where those two people are, I don't know if you can see from here, there is another fire pit that is way cleaner. But my intention will be, if I come and that fire pit is still dirty, to clean it, because it's to do what the other people that used it didn't do. Leave it in better condition than you found it. So yeah, well, look, It's been months since the last time I hiked, and I'm going to show you how steep this is. See that? It is very steep. Beautiful trail. Yeah. So I'll see you back in the car. Inshallah. Back in the car. What was that? I hope all my recordings had a sound. I just hope, because I've had so many issues with the sound in my vlogs lately. So I just pressed the connection with the mic, and it sounded like it was not fully connected. So I really hope the sound is good. But as I was saying, I found a place. I don't know if it's going to work out or not, but at least now I know that I can buy the wood and the starter, because I know that Canadian Tire, for example, has really good starter for barbecues that I can use for a fire pit. So yes, I am excited, and I have to figure out what I am going to do with the fire, because I want to do something small for the first time, just to try, because I don't even know if I'm going to be able to light the fire yet. But I don't know. I want to do something different. I want to do something that is going to show me that when and if I do this full time, then I am going to be able to do everything by myself. And if it's cold, I can warm myself up. And if it's a summer night, I can just enjoy the fire with bubbly, because I don't drink any alcohol, of course, alhamdulillah. So yes, and maybe I can even roast chicken. Who knows? I can cook so many things. I have to get something to put the food or the utensils, whatever, the pans and pots and the coffee mocha espresso machine, not machine, whatever it is that I have at home. I can somewhere where I can stand it. I can place it on and make coffee, for example. Yes, I have to figure out all that. So yes, now it's time for planning for this coming week, inshallah. I'm excited. I'm really excited. And yes, I don't know, it's like I have hair on my face. But yes, this is it for today. So when I have, I'll see you when I buy everything to come and enjoy this fire pit that I, alhamdulillah, found.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. crickets see the moon, side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.